Hello guys and welcome to today's Saturday crypto updated video. Sorry guys, I didn't recording this video on Sunday because yesterday I had to do a lot of fucking shit and I didn't have the time to do anything at all. So I'm going to just do the video right now. So that's it. Let's get started into today's video. So I told you that this week we didn't have much to say, or we didn't have much of a news, but there's actually some bad news happening on this week. So before we go into the video, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit the subscribe button to let us reach 250 subscribers before the end of June. So if you want to start off, we want to start off with the USDT dominance chart as always. So USDT dominance is still breaking from this downfall trend that we don't want to see get broken. Also, we still have a lot of resistance that I'm going to talk about the next upcoming minutes. But we are literally we look like we are forming like a uptrend on the lower time frames. And that is what not giving me the best feeling ever, because we still have a little bit of bad news coming up in this week that is actually going to not make things stable, and it's going to make things a little bit shaky. But this is already predicted. I already told you guys that we are not going to fucking continue moving to the downside without any some sort of retracement, and we never know that only when we go into the higher time frames, like the weekly time frame. You can see that you can still see that there's a gap right here that is still remaining, and we just filled out, and now we are retracing back from it. So this will be a very good entry, or not very good entry. This will be a very good sign that price, because we did close below this low, or this entry zone, this resistance that turns into support and then turns into resistance. This is the key level zone, then we closed below it, and now we're traced back into it. So now what I'm expected is in the next upcoming weeks to continue move to the downside on USDT dominance, and we can never know that only if we go into the lower time frames and we look for news, what is happening, what is not happening, because technical analysis are not always the right thing to look for the market. Also, you need to look for the fundamental analysis as well. So USDT dominance, that is it for it. We're gonna continue looking for news, what is happening, because there is a very high chance that Trump will replace the chairman of the Fed Reserve, Jerome Powell, and I really hope that right now. The last couple of months I said I will be not I don't want to see Jerome Powell get replaced, but now I want to see Jerome Powell get replaced, because Jerome Powell is holding the biggest decisions that is going to make us win in this game, which is holding the rate cuts. We want to see the rate cuts we want to see the rates get cut, and we want to see the QE starts. But Jerome Powell looks like he doesn't want to start to do that, and Trump is actually a lot against him and is not very happy with him, as he said. But yeah, I really hope now that Jerome Powell gets replaced, because whoever the person is gonna get replace him, Trump is going to tell him what to do exactly. And I really hope that we can make a good amount of percentages over that period before things get shaky. Also, now we wanna go into the Bitcoin chart, which gonna indicates us a really good levels. So this week actually we did see some fucking bad news, which are, we had Elon Musk and Trump had a fight against each other, and Trump actually fired Elon Musk from the Doge company, which is I don't know what is it called, but yeah, he fired him from the political, like, I don't know how to say it, but that is it. He fired him from the White House, and Elon Musk turns out to be against Trump, and they start a fight, and everyone started panicking. So the Bitcoin chart went down to $100,000, and that is already I told you about. If you wanna go see that, you're gonna go for the last crypto update video, and you're gonna see that I told you Bitcoin needs to retrace back into its zone before going up and making new all-time high. So we had this great area of support. We also retraced back into the fair value gap. Also, we did retrace back and of this 4 hour, I guess, bullish uptrend. We retraced back into it. Boom. And now what I want to see on Bitcoin is a break above the 106 level, $106,000. I want to see Bitcoin break above that so we can do such a move like this. Boom. And a new all-time high. And for me, I want to see Bitcoin create a new all-time high to $128,000 to $134,000, and believe me or not, Bitcoin is going to reach that sooner or later. So you gotta stay patient and never panic sold your fucking altcoins or any of your Bitcoins. But this is not a financial advice though. This is not a financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your own money. I'm not for any kind of financial advice, but this is just my opinion in the financial market right now. So with that, if you want to go to Ethereum chart, we're still consolidating like the other weeks. There's nothing new in the market, and yeah, we are just accumulating on the weekly time frame. We are now just created a month, 1 month of consolidation. This is a doji candle on the monthly time frame. Maybe after we see the breakdown that we're still waiting for, which is the break above the 670 bucks, which gonna lead Ethereum to create such a bullish move that is going to send us to the target that we always wanted, which is the $3,400. So yeah, that is it for Ethereum. So both currencies looks good in my opinion, and altcoins are just doing the same exact move. Here we have Pepe still trading within this bullish flag. The same with Near, the same with Shiba, the same with all of the altcoins. But what I want to see is really I want to see the Fed Reserve. I want to see them cutting the rates, because whenever we do that, it's going to send us a lot higher. And I really believe that we should continue moving higher, and things should be stable now, and we need to see some bullish news, and we want to see like the relationship with Elon Musk and Trump gets good again, and we need to see Trump ends the tariffs bullshit that is happening, and then we're gonna see the fucking altcoin season. Obviously it's not going to happen very quick. You gotta stay patient, and you gotta like trust your process, trust the process, and trust your analysis, and have a faith in your opinions. Like you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in your analysis, and fuck all of those, and don't listen to anybody unless their opinion makes sense. So we're gonna go into Bitcoin, Ethereum, not Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're gonna go into Bitcoin ETF flows. We saw BlackRock actually having some outflows this week on Bitcoin. Also the same exact thing as Fidelity and Bitwise and all of the other institutions. For me, again, this is not financial advice, but for me, I really believe that this is just a manipulation, and we saw this multiple fucking times where the institutions start selling a very tiny part of their Bitcoins, to then don't give you a space to buy when the price is low. So I really think that they are manipulating the market so they can take the opportunity and then buy all of the bitcoins. And that is literally what I'm thinking is going to happen. Actually, the same thing on Ethereum, but no, Ethereum has some slightly different environment, right? I told you that the institutions or Ethereum are scaling up silently. They're not giving you anything, they're not telling you about anything, they just want to get it all by themselves. We saw some inflows from 20 of May, till now, till 6th of June, and BlackRock has been buying and only buying Ethereum, and we never saw an outflows. Same thing with Fidelity, with Bitwise, all of them are buying Ethereum, and especially BlackRock. So what does BlackRock knows what we don't? And I really believe that they are making the steps for us to reach the big goals that we always wanted to see on crypto and on Ethereum and on Bitcoin as well. So that is it for today's crypto update video. This is a very quick video. I didn't talk much because literally the week doesn't have anything. The only problem remaining now is the bad relationship with Trump and Ethereum, with Trump and Elon Musk, and I really hope that they can fix the shit up before we go into recession, because actually Elon Musk tweeted something, said the Trump tariffs are going to make a recession in the stock market of like this year. Before the end of this year is going to be a recession in the market, and I really hope that doesn't work as Elon Musk said. So this is it for today's video. Make sure you guys I think I'm still like need to sleep, brother. I always record videos when I'm tired as fuck, but I don't have any other choice just to make them and shut the fuck up and stop making fucking excuses, useless excuses. So this is it for today's video, man. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, boys.